Sir, can we start the session?
Yes, madam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Just give me 1 minute, sir. I'll add YouTube live. Yeah. So hi everyone. Welcome to the day 6. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and many members was messaged me at Saturday. So Saturday and Sunday was there is no class. So I hope it was clear. Yes, sir. I'll give as a co-host. Yeah. Yes, sir. Start presenting and start the sessions.
Okay. Good evening, students. Raja, I think this is for your sixth session. Day one itself, we are have fire. We will with fire we will start, and we are getting lot of feedback from your side. Today, before start my sessions, I will give you two words. The entire worlds are speaking. Outcome and output, output and outcomes. Random knowledge maybe produce the outputs. Continuous and intellectual knowledge. Continuous and intellectual. The people want intellectuals only, sir. Not for random knowledge producers. Just to note it, the word. The companies. For the day one itself, I told to you, you are a students, you are a young minds, you have energetic fire, guys. So random knowledge, don't occur random knowledge. You move for next level, continuous and intellectual knowledge. Continuous and intellectual knowledge. Random knowledge may produce the output, sir. May produce the output. Continuous and intellectual ensure the outcome of the systems. For example, 5 years before, the engineering colleges, all engineering colleges are focusing only on placements only. Nowadays, the people are you speak of the branded colleges. Branded colleges are left the placement concepts. Branded colleges are now moving on entrepreneur. We are making 10 entrepreneur in this year. Like this levels are going on. Like this levels are going on. Marks based systems, college system, mark based university systems. There's all the things are left past coming 2 or 3 days. Universities are coming to the ecosystems. Innovate university with innovate ecosystems. People are our institution have a best innovate systems, best innovate university innovative ecosystems. People are saying that this word. So don't think, don't produce outputs, produce your outcomes of your BE degree. Second one is I squared. Sir, anything the world, it's possible. Two I. One is involvement. Yes, sir. Second one is interest. So first one is interest. Second one is involvement. Yes, sir. I am interested in MATLAB, sir. I can able to predict forecast, sir. Short-term forecast, ultra short-term forecast, long-term forecast. So that is the first interest and involvement. Involvement plus expert discussions. That also very important things. Any product you can able to possible to produce in the world. One is first I is interest, second I is involvement, third I is expert. That is. They say that past coming 5 days, coming the 5 days, 5 days. This is for covering that entire design thinking courses. Persona, VLAN product, VLAN product, VLAN life, ideations, need identification, empathy mapping, human-centered design, design for service, how proto development, develop prototype, human experience, and how you can able to visualize product persons. Sir, I have a best product, sir. The customers are consuming my products, sir, but I don't know how the peoples are visualizing our product. The owners' visualizations are completely differ, and technical persons, employee persons' visualizations are completely differ. Completely differ. Customer visualizations are completely differ. So visualizations is a very great things. And yes, then just 1 minute recall. Design thinking is a new definitions. Empathize the people need. Sir, we identified last class. We see that lot of products, human center related product. You are telling like a Kutkuri to that hand bar, like a 7 to 8 products. We will see all the designs are human based technical designs. Empathize, collaborate, include every idea, repeat, iterate, and testing. It's a one type of design thinking definitions. Empathize mean the people's need. You always move with people's needs only. Any design, any work, anything, you always move with people's need. Just say that design thinking phases every day we are seeing like this only. Tomorrow class, that ideation class, day after class is a prototype class. Just see empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. These are the 5 phases of design thinking phase. Empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Today we are focusing only for empathize only. Understand the problems. Sir, every people have a different problems. We can't able to give all the individual problems, but we need a group of people's problems. We need a group of people's problems. Reframing the problems. I will tell you that today class very interesting things are there. Reframing the problems. Most of the time, people are not understand correctly, not understand the proper manner. That is, you reframe the problems again and again, fine tune the problems. People are telling fine tune your answer. Actually, that is not correct way. Fine tune your problems. You observe and visualize your problem and again, then only you can able to get a good solutions. Stakeholders persona. Stakeholders mean, for example, you are a students. College stakeholders mean parents, teachers, faculty, and technical person, non-technical persons, top management, owner of the college, your college supplier. All the people's persona, it's the really needed one. And the decisions and focus and as well the best practices. That is the thing, sir. Why, how the companies are keeping and making a brand be, people are giving the best practices. Then only you can able to come in number one in the race. You well known, the college to corporate. The corporates are, it's like a race. You are we well known. If employees are not work properly, mean the people are immediately sacking. You can't able to ask any questions in private companies. You give your best level. You give share your best practices. Then only you can able to come raise number one in the race. So we will discuss entire day is the empathize. Sir, before empathize, I want to share it. Parasuraman service quality model. Parasuraman service quality model is a very nice model. It's a Parasuraman's is an Indian-based US guy. He derived service quality for service industry. This model is applicable for all the service sectors, not a manufacturing sector. Software companies are now using this case reliability, assurance, tangible, empathy, and responsive response. It's called as a five parameters. One more parameter, 6 is the cost. 6 parameters for Parasuraman quality control model. 6 parameters. You take tourism, it's a 6 parameter definitely coming. You take hospitals, the 6 parameters are definitely coming. Reliability, assurance, tangible, empathy, responsiveness. Of course, service expectation, service expectations, and service performance. What is customer expectation? What is company delivering? What is company delivering? That is called as a service quality. Just note it, sir. You are receiving quality. Perception minus expectation. Perception minus what customer really want, what you are really delivering. That difference is service quality. Then now the people are speaking customer service index. Very interesting things. Now companies are speaking employee satisfaction index also. One more term is there. So previously the companies are speaking only for customer satisfaction index only. Now the companies are speaking, we are number one in employee satisfactions. That is a different things. Sir, I'm not discussing other Parasuramar service quality model. We will take only for empathy. Empathy is a deep understanding the problems. Empathy is applicable not only for design things, anywhere, any service industry. Empathies are a must. Empathies are a must. Deep understanding of the problem and realistic of the people. You are designing for the client. You are designing for the client. Just note it. Empathy, understanding of the problems, and realistic realities of the people. You are designing for a client. Just notice that. First, you are understanding your problems. What our customers think, what our customers are think, what realities you are giving, what delivery you are giving to your people. That is the realities of the people. You are designing a product for your client only. Just note it the word. You are developing product. You are developing a product for your client. Just see what three phases of empathy: observe, engage, and impress. And absorb, engage, and impress. Sir, I ask one question. Okay. Some products are attracting for a particular group of peoples. Yesterday, previously we discussed selfie camera. Selfie camera mean you are take selfie camera. What is sir? What is empathy mean? Project guidance. Again, I am telling Ramakrishna, the entire project we need some guidance. We need the guidance. We need understand the client need. I will tell you one example. We will discuss product with empathy. Sir, I want 1 minute. I want to ask one question that last class we discussed selfie based mobile phone. Some people are tell Vivo or I1 mobile. Lot of people are telling in different way. Okay, are you understand? Are you understand? Now I will come one more thing. Okay, just see. Sir, already one product's launch, companies are done and one product launch is going on. Is already one products are going on very well. Companies are launching one more product for targeting for a particular group. The companies are empathize and targeting some group of people and targeting one new launch. I ask one question. Kinetic Honda is targeting for Kinetic Honda. The Kinetic Honda scooter targeting this Kinetic Honda. Answer me. Kinetic Honda scooter is targeting. Yeah, tell me. You understand my problem? Some products are specific for some groups, some group of people. You tell me kinetic Honda scooters are targeting what? Anyone? Answer me. Are you hearing or not hearing? Are you hearing or not hearing?
Yes, sir. Hearing, sir.
Yeah. Tell me only one or two answer. You tell me, boss. This products is this particular group of people, sir. Kinetic Honda scooter. Kinetic Honda for young people. Yes, nice answer, Venkatesh Chinam. Any other kinetic quotas are targeting only for young people, sir? Okay, very nice answer. Any other product? Any other product with group? Anyone? For example, again, I will tell you, lady bird cycle. Lady bird cycle is a pink color cycle, sir. Targeting young childs. Young childs. Yeah. Any other any other one product, sir, this products are attracting one particular group only, like one product, then I will move for next slide. Anyone? Anyone, boss? Any one product? Absorb, engage, and impressed. Sir, these products are targeting only for this group, like this. Deep understanding the problems and realistic the problems. Sir, only one example you tell me. I told lot of examples. Sir. Kinetic Honda, ladies bad cycles. Yes, Royal Enfield bike, Pulsar, PSA cycle, very nice things. BSA cycle, Pulsar for youngsters, Royal Enfield bike for maximum attracting the youth people. Yes, electrical bike, iPhones are attracting youths. OnePlus mobiles are for Hildegard 3 blades. Avenger bike. These are the products. Very nice. Very good. Samsung. These are the yes. Okay, we will come for things. Deep understanding. Empathies are telling to deep understand, to deep so deep your client problems and give the realistics. Absorb and engage and impressive. Just see, sir, 1 minute you observe just things. You, me, and we. You, me, and we. Just note it's the very important things. You, me, we. Just note it. You, me, and we. The we is a real product, sir. Just note it. The we is a real product. You and your me. You and me. That is a environment. That is the environment. That is a environment. You and me is producing we. That is a real thing, real product. Now I will tell you that a lot of empathy tools are there. I will tell you lot of empathy tools are there. Lot of empathy tools are there, sir. Now I want to I want to absorb my client need, my people need. But what tools are I can able to use? So lot of tools are there. Empathy mapping, affinity mapping, WH questions through why 5 whys. Lot of tools are there. We will discuss that five tools and 7 cases, 7 different products. Okay. My first clear observation with simple empathy tool. 5W, 1H. These questions are very when, why, what, where, plus how. You well known all the places these questions are coming, sir. 5W plus 1H questions. What, how, why? What, how, why? The peoples are giving the separate seats. Peoples are giving the separate seat for product evaluations times to the client. Clients are writing what is, how is, why. Sir, I am facing this problem due to this. I am facing this problem due to this. These problems are occurred this way. These problems are occurred in this way. These problems are occurred in this way. Just note it. We all the classes. You are a software engineers mean this definitely it is a really needed. Really needed. So, sir, I'm developing on a new code, sir. Definitely 5W plus 1H is needed. Sir, anything. I think the total quality management subjects are here. The people are doing lot. Root causes analysis, modern quality management tools, and quality management tools in different ways are here. And sir, I ask one more questions. Normally that it's very fancy questions for in HR interview. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis. Anyone? Anyone? What is the meaning of SWOT? SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis mean, sir, this is a SWOT. SWOT mean, W mean what? Costly items are very like for youngster people. Sir, SWOT is correct. Correct. Strength, weakness, threat. Next. Next. Strength, weakness, threat, opportunities, not hobbies, opportunities, strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Okay. It's a very common questions for IT companies. Through this question, the IT companies are evaluating, sir. The IT companies are evaluating you. Very simple tool. SWOT is your IT company's tool. So SWOT is a IT company's tool. It's a very simply asking. Tell me, SWOT, about you plus SWOT. This is my strength. This is my strength, sir. This is my weakness, sir. This is my opportunities area, sir. I am strong in MATLAB, sir. I am strong in Python, sir. I'm eagerly waiting for opportunities in the machine learning area, sir. Sir, I am strong in image processing, sir. I well known that computer vision, sir, mission vision, sir, like this opportunity, you can able to share your HR for evaluations times. Second, empathy map. Second tool is empathy mapping. Second tool is empathy mapping. Just see, complete your empathy map based on group intent. I already told you, sir. I think now in online, now you are online, like 200, more than 200 people are in there. Each and every people have different need. Each and every people have a different need. Each and every people, companies can't able to satisfy so for example, you take mobile company, lakhs of crore people are using mobile phones, but companies are don't want for individual queries. Individual queries. Companies are want group implementing new things through that group interviews. Just note it, companies are on new things based on the group interviews only. 1 minute you observe how to can map the empathy. Said, did, thought, felt. That is a said, did, thought, and felt. Just 1 minute again, you recall recall in your minds. Said, did, thought, and felt. Said, 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 did, said, did. Just see, said, did, thought, and felt. 1 minute you observe these 4 words. 1 minute you observe this. Just this 1 minute you observe this case. Said, did, thought, and felt, and felt. People, sir, people, sir, feels. People, sir, feel. People, sir, feel very good way. People, sir, feels in a very good way. Just note it. People, sir, feel very good way. Just note it. It's a very important things. Said, did, thought, and felt. Just note it. Said, did, thought, and felt. I will start my cases. I will start my cases. What customers are? What customers are? What customers are? What customers are did? What customers are did? What client did? What customers are did? What customers felt? What customers are taught? That is a empathy map. I will tell you first case one with one product. You tell me, sir, said, did, empathy, and felt. You tell me, you are moving for purchase one TV. You are moving for purchase one TV. What is your expectations? So you are go for what technical things? What technical things? What technical points? Sir, what technical points you are giving to your client? Sir, now you are going for TV purchaser. You are going for one shop in Hyderabad or one thing. What your first thing coming in your mindsets? Feel means feeling. I am using this product like this feel. Like a sad feel, like different things are coming, sir. You tell me, you are now you are purchasing one TV, sir. What technical parameters you are seeing? Picture quality, yes, sir. Very picture qualities. I need picture quality. Next, any other big TV? Yes, inches, size inches. Next, sound. Yes, definitely want sound. Audio quality, sound. Any other things, sir? Smart TV, yes, sir. I want to all the features in my TV. I want to connect my laptop to my TV, all HD. I want HD connections, LED TV. I want LED TV, sir. With all the parameters, I want very low cost, sir. Very nice, John Vinay. EMI, yes, sir. Normally, inches are high, mean that cost is very high, low quality, high. I want very high quality TV with EMI. Now, warranty, yes. Asuk Pradeep is very nice. I want to warranty, sir. I don't want guarantee. I want warranty 5 years. I want to return agreement about the product. I want to. I am purchasing 50 rupees, 50,000 TV. So I want one mobile for like Usuru. Like I want to offer other product, other product at things. Discount. I want EMI discount, all the things. Now, just see that is a very famous case study, sir. Sir, all the design thinking class you attend, MIT or anything you are attend, people are sharing a single case studies only. Uncle Sam case study, Uncle Sam case study, and one more empathy map with a TV case study. Is a TV case study. Just 1 minute you observe. 1 minute you observe. Say, think, and do's and feels. You are asking, one guy is telling, sir, what is the meaning of feel? Feel flat, hear, some product, sir, I just see 1 minute. First, you see the sales quadrant, quadrant. You have lot of doubts are there, sir. What is the best size? It's a TVs are reliable or not? The TVs are really the TVs are really really nice or not? You have lot of questions there in your mind. You have lot of questions are there in your mind. Just see, first see what is the best size. What is the best size? What brands people are like? My relative have this brand TV. The same brand mean what our relatives are feel like this things. It's a two. It's anything miss. Any features are missing this TV. Otherwise, my nearer person have all the features TV. It's like a 64 inches TV. The same inches is there or greater inches there. This is the best product or any other next standard quality, next level prices are there or not. People are checking. Does yes list pro cons and the people are make a small decisions. So make a small decisions. Yes, and ask your friends. Yes, I call my uncle. I call my friend. I absorb other stores. For example, Saravana stores mean. For example, Saravana store mean. Saravana store mean. For example, you are using in Saravana stores. You are using a Saravana store. Just note it. People are going near Jake Chandran, other Saravana stores or other shop. The peoples are somebody's are I don't know that why the not my mouse, why the peoples are using cursor. Just see feels. Yes, exit experience. I purchased this TV. My relative, my mother, my daughters are very exit feel like this. Sir, I purchased this much of rupees for this TV. This much of rupees for this TV. It's a very costly, sir. It's like 1 lakh rupees given. I got it this TV. I have some small fear. I have my small fear. Suppose broken, now what will do? And other things, people's are have a lot of things nowadays. If you are purchasing costly mobile mean, what you first step, what you are doing, the purchasing time, what you are doing. Sir, you are purchasing costly mobiles, sir, more than 50,000 rupees, sir. The purchasing times, what you are thinking? You are purchasing 1 lakh rupee mobile, sir. Are you understanding my questions? You are purchasing 1 lakh rupees, one new mobile. Anyone? Features? Okay. Oh, what factors you are considering? That cash paying time, what factors you are considering? It's really helpful or not? You are realizing that is, you are already realized, then only you are purchased. You are purchased that 1 lakh rupees mobile phones. Feel times, feel. You just see that again my slate. Feel times. You have some little bit fear is there. Some people are taken my mobile phone mean what we do. That time, what you are doing? Sometimes theft is come. My mobile phone theft. Now what we do? You have some fears. People are nowadays very. The mobile companies are introducing mobile insurance schemes. Mobile companies are introducing mobile insurance schemes. The companies are addressing your fear towards addressing the solution with fear, with your things, and say think, does, and feels. The four quadrants are there. Say, thinks, does, and feels. It's a four different quadrant. It's called as the empathy map. It's called as the empathy map. Sir, buying a TV is a buying times. You are a customer. You are a customer. Companies are capturing, sir. These are all the qualities. Says what you are saying to the customer. You are saying to the company. What's you are thinking? What that purchasing times you are doing? What's your feel? You are really happy or not happy with the product? All the things are analyzed. All the things are analyzed. These things. All the features are all the features are all the qualities, all the fields are captured. Companies are capturing. You are thinking you are buying TV. Companies are not watching you. So that times everything companies are watching. And my second case cloud kitchens. Very interesting thing, sir. What is mean by cloud kitchen? Enthusiasm to see this. Okay, sir. Tell me, cloud kitchen mean? A lot of software engineers are there, future software engineers are there in life. You tell me what is mean by cloud, then we will move for cloud kitchen. What is the meaning of cloud? People speaking, I want to become a cloud engineers. It's a very fascinating words. Cloud, what is the meaning of cloud? Cloud, cloud manufacturing, people are defining cloud. So define cloud. What is mean by cloud? In IT aspects, you tell me. Sir, I'm asking to you only, what is cloud? Restore data. Sir, is the correct answer. Restore data. I want to restore all kind of data in a single place. I want to restore the accessible from anywhere. Sir, here the Chennai people data storages over the server connected through the internet. Connected to the internet. Connected to the internet. Just note it, sir. You are a Chennai guys. You are a Chennai guys. You are a Chennai guy. Just see that you are a Chennai guy. You are a Chennai guy. You are a Chennai guy. Just note it. You are a Chennai guy. You can able to access Washington doctors' data. Think who is accessing my don't disturb. Is not this is a corporate system, sir, but you are unwantedly you are taking my PP, interrupting. Huh? Don't do this. I think somebody's are interrupting my class. Class வெளிய பிள்ளைகள்லாம் இப்படி நின்னுட்டு கத்துறது டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் ஆகுதுமா. cloud kitchens. So now you are seeing in different cloud to cloud kitchens, cloud to cloud kitchens. Sir, it's a very interesting topic. Cloud kitchen is a very interesting topic. The people, sir, making a food is a commonplace. So making the food is a commonplace. Okay, but but you just note it. You just note it. Cloud kitchens. It's a cloud kitchen. It's a things. Just see, the making food is a one place. Making the food is the food distributions are entire the cities. Just note it. That things. Cloud kitchens order. The peoples are making a food. The peoples are making a food in a single place. The peoples are making a food in a single place. The peoples are making a food. The peoples are making a food in a single place, okay, and distributing in different place, in different places. For example, in Hyderabad biryanis, you take the Hyderabad biryani cases. The peoples are making a one place in a biryani and distributing that entire cities. The peoples are concentrating on online order, quality control, and offer and customer data and delivery boys interactions. All the things are peoples are doing in a single through app. That is a cloud kitchens concepts. The cloud kitchens concepts. Let's note it. And one more thing, that third case, the third case. Why that nowadays the peoples are speaking? Why that nowadays the peoples are speaking? Why that nowadays the peoples are speaking? Yes, delivery boy, Zomato, it's very nice things. Why nowadays the peoples are speaking? Sir, peoples are speaking cloud kitchen meal. A lot of, even though in Tamil Nadu government offering the Tamma Unavagam, it's very famous. In Delhi, Kejriwal government, 2 rupees for chapati. That concepts are very famous. You can't able to make in this biggest project, you can't able to make in different places in chapati is a very critical things. So the peoples are converting, the peoples are making a common hump. It's called as a common. It's called as a common hump. It's called as a common. It's called as a common hump. It's a kitchen as a common hump. From the hump, the app is there. The peoples are monitoring online order, quality control, reduce cost, and customer data and delivery and all the things. Again, I will come for my third case. Again, I will come for my third case. Horlicks. You take the Horlicks. You take the Horlicks. Why the Horlicks are peoples are introducing in different varieties of Horlicks. For just to see, the peoples are offering different varieties. Peoples are offering in different varieties of Horlicks and different. You just see that in 1970 itself, that things are happening. That things are happening. 1970 itself, the things are happening. Just see the 19. Just see why Horlicks companies are introducing yes women's Horlicks. Very nice answer. Any other sir in this? Sir, Gupta Bharat Kumar. Who is Gupta Bharat Kumar? Who is Gupta Bharat Kumar? Not my sensei. He is interrupting. Improving selling things, products. Sir, Horlicks, you take Horlicks. Why the Horlicks are introducing different variety and different time? The bottle is a common. Horlicks mean is a different kind of Horlicks are there. Different kind of Horlicks are there. Different kind of Horlicks are there. You just see that Horlicks, in 2014 to 2017, very nice things. People are introducing women's Horlicks, women's plus Horlicks, and junior Horlicks, any other things, mother's Horlicks, increasing the quantities. But bottle size, you just check the bottle size, quantity, chocolate flavor Horlicks. The people, a need is there. Need is just junior Horlicks, women's Horlicks, mother Horlicks, women's Horlicks, mother Horlicks, and many ingredients. Many ingredients are there in the Horlicks. Just see that one more thing. It's all the things are all the things are all the ingredient and other things are age bar and ingredients, that flavor and all other things are based on the customer need. Just note it. These all the things are customer little Horlicks, little Horlicks. A lot of Horlicks based on the customer need. Customers are empathize and identify what's the real things. For example, very high cost Horlicks. Mother Horlicks is a very high cost Horlicks. I think the cost is the cost is like 550 rupees. It's a very costly Horlicks. And one more thing, my next thing is, yes, anybody sir seen this these things? Anybody sir seen? What is really think? What is this? See my think, same product too many years, so changes according to the situation, not according to the situation. The people are capturing the customer feel, customer empathize, plant, Croton plant, any other things. You are nowadays the people are using this type of money, not a money plant, this type of plant in bridges and vertical gardens. Is correct answer. Approach Muskan is a correct answer. It's a vertical garden. The one type of vertical farming, micro farming and leaf farming. Sir, you are very metro cities and apartments. Nowadays, it's one type of cultures are coming, vertical farming. Sir, I feel I want very high concentrate oxygen in my my places. I want to very I don't want any carbon emissions in the road plant and bridges sites. For apartment with nearer apartments is nearer. Apartments are nearer with heavy automobile places. The real things. Every product have a two agendas are there. One is a real agenda, another one is a hidden agenda. Just note it. The vertical farming. The hidden agenda is real agenda. The people are thinking the real agenda is real agenda is the very simple. Real agenda is people's real agenda is I want very lovely garden in my nearer place, like a vertical garden. Second one is A real agenda, that is a hidden agenda. Real agenda is the vertical gardenings are absorbing CO2 and emitting and absorbing the CO2 and emitting oxygens. It's a real agenda. It's a real agenda. Any product have a real agenda and hidden agendas are there. You are seeing looking very beautiful, sir. Vertical farming. You just note it, sir. You go through it in your thing. Real agenda and real agenda. Your real agenda is there and hidden agenda is there. Any product, you take any product in the world. This is my case 4. My case 5 is coconut harvesting drone. If possible, I will show you the last class is a real this product coconut harvesting drone. Just see one product, one robots are already developed by other colleges peoples. Other colleges peoples are developed one robo for coconut stick harvesting. It's already old concept. I want next level of this concept. I want drone coconut harvesting drones. It's a what my specifications 20 minutes play times and fully automations, HD camera, 2 kg payload for this drone. I can stand with impact of robotic arms. Sir, not only the robo is not only cut for coconut. My drone is applicable for apple cutting, orange cutting, peas cuttings, and tomato. Anything is possible to cut my my drone. And the company strategies, company having a large farms. Company have a large farm. My target is not a small farmers. My target is I'm employing the drones in agriculture field. Agriculture field. Just note it. It's very interesting things. Coconut harvesting drone. I am targeting the large farmers, large farms clients. I'm mentioning my product, this farm, this through this cutter, this normal drone only. The people are putting the cutter based on the fruits, based on the applications. The drone is moving simultaneously that you can able to cut apple, you can able to cut orange, anything. And case number 6, it's a ergonomic driver seats. Sir, normally I will take 5 minutes time, then I will close it. Normally, you just see that normally. Already that day I will show that one office chair. I will office chair. Why that very interesting things I will share you. One minute, very interesting thing. Then I will close my exercise. You are visible. Comfortable place, John. Yes. Yes, it's a very nice ergonomic driver seater for spinal pain relief. Sir, just to see normal chair, normal office chair. We already seen shown one chair, design for safety and that things. Just to see ergonomic driver seat for spinal pain relief. Just note it, sir. Nowadays, mechanical engineering students are studying in bio-related papers like a biomechanics. Computer science students are studying bioinformatics. There are different things. You just see chair already there. Chair already there. Office chairs are there. In different kind of chairs are there. Now I want to chair for drivers. For drivers, for particularly long drivers, long route drivers, like a lorry drivers. You just see that normal chair is completely differ from the driver chairs. Driver chairs. Just see that. I want very comfortable chair with comfortable and safety chair. Safety chair. Just note it, sir. I want very comfortable design, comfortable chairs. I want. Just note it. The people are doing biomechanics studies for a human spinal cord. Human spinal cord. People are normal office chair. The people have no for headrest and footrest. Headrest and footrest is not there. Lorry driver seat. You take lorry driver seat, sir. The lorry drivers are moving for Hyderabad to that Shillong, Vaishak to Shillong. Frequently, the people are going. The people are driving per day, the 18 hours to 20 hours. The people are driving, sir. It's a long route drive, long route drive. Just to see my people by my that from my things, clavicle and lumbar and is a thoracic. You see that my spinal cord. You see that spinal cord, spinal based designed driver seat. We are equalizing. Three different pistons: piston A, piston B, and piston C. Piston A is comfort for cervical part in the spine. Piston B is comfortable for thoracic. Piston C is comfortable for lumbar. It's a bio. You are putting different kind of pistons. Just see that the 90 degree that reflections angles is a very important in the chats. And last things, then I will close my things. Hospitals. Sir, hospitals, every hospital is a lot of, you take one branded hospitals in Vizag. Sir, a lot of people are coming in the COVID time and other times, lot of people are coming. Each patient have each need. Okay, some people want AC, another people want, sir, very qualified doctors. Sir, I will ask one questions. Questions. I will ask one questions, only one question. You are entered one hospitals. What's your priorities are there? You tell me. What's your priorities are there? Just you are entering one hospital, sir. You are heavy pain. You have a heavy pains. You tell me that this is my this is my period. This is my requirements. This is my periodizations. Anyone? Sir, you are entering your hospital, sir. What's your periodized requirement? Best doctor with, yes, sir. I want specialized doctor, sir. I want immediate appointment, sir. Any other things? I don't want anything, sir. I want hygienics. I want clean and comfortable. I want quick actions. Yes, sir. I want quick actions. Neither. Good treatment. Yes, sir. Not only doctor. I want best treatment method. A lot of some hospitals are very good doctor, but no treatment. Treatment method is not good. Yes, sir. So Vijay, John Vijay told that fees the very great things. If you have money, mean you can able to live. That concepts are coming up. Any other best equipments? Yes, equipments, sir. Three things are there, sir. One is doctor. One is a doctor. Second one is a treatment method. Treatment method is different, sir. Some hospital have a best treatment methods are there, but doctors are not there. Some hospitals have a very good, very specialized people are there, but treatment methods are there. Yes, sir. Venkatesh Chinam is the correct answer. I want you are already have some fear, but the caring time, smell times, caring about the patients, sir, assurance. Yes, kandipa polachikuvaru. Yes, this guy definitely, sir. We can able to do, sir. Our best, sir. New technology. Nowadays, the people are speaking robotics treatment, robotic surgeries. Why that robotic surgeries? People are speaking new technologies, clearing the patient's problems. Yes, each and every patients, each and every people's have a different needs are there, sir. Needs are there. It's giving hope to patients. Yes, assure to patient, assure to hope. So different things are there, but I want to very great things, but very great things. Last and very low fees, sir. You are taking lot of periodized needs are there, but collective, how the peoples are work out mean all the need to collective needs. People are picking the collective needs, group of people's needs like this. Finally, don't fall love with solutions. You fall love with problems. Just note it, sir. Don't fall don't fall don't fall love with don't fall love with solutions. Don't always eager to solutions. Love with problems. Anyone? The last one. You want an examination direct questions or indirect questions? You want in examinations, you want very direct questions or indirect questions? Now only 1 or 2 minutes. I will direct questions. Indirect questions mean the corrections are very liberal. You are expecting direct questions mean people are making okay, already questions are very easy only. Why these people? Indirect questions mean indirect questions. Nowadays the UGC and AICs are telling lot of Bloom taxonomy. You put in the Bloom taxonomy level and ask questions. Create in 10 years before you take, 5 years before you take your seniors question papers. Normally, what is explained like this is coming up. Now you just check in your way that Bloom taxonomy, best people question paper. People are asking, create a new methodology, evaluate this method, create this model. Like this questions are coming. Don't fall, again I'm telling, don't fall with solutions. Fall love with problems. Okay, you always don't behind the run the problems. You run with problems. And last one, okay, we will see that wiki, it's called as a wicked problems. Very interesting cases there. Wicked problems. Tomorrow we will start with wicked problems. Very nice things happening. Any other doubt for today's sessions? Today's sessions we are seeing 7 to 5 cases for empathy. What is the empathy? Empathy means like cordially analyzing that your people things are cordially. You are analyzing the people cases. Cordially analyzing the people's real need. For example, we will see lot of 5 to 6 cases. Purchasing TV. That time, what empathies are happening in your mind? The second case, cloud kitchens. It's a very good example for empathy. Sir, biggest people, sir, Arvind Kejriwal, Tamil Nadu ex-CM, that Dr. Jayalalitha, sir, cloud kitchen, sir, he's preparing one price. Sir, governments are giving advertisement. 1 rupee for idli for 1 rupee. It's the biggest scheme. But you just imagine, distribution places are different. And hump is the one spot, biggest spot. Thus, this only one place only preparing for entire city food. That is a cloud kitchen concept. It is a one kind of empathy. And Horlicks are introducing, targeting different kind of people product. For example, junior Horlicks, mother Horlicks, mother plus Horlicks, like this thinking. Fourth is a vertical farming. Is a hidden agenda and real agenda behind the vertical farming. So vertical farming is a good business. Nowadays is slowly have a huge big market is there in the vertical farming. Vertical farming is it's an empathical product. Vertical farming. Another one case is there. It's a micro farming. Last one is coconut drawn. I am developing one coconut drawn for coconut cutting. And ergonomic driver seat. Sir, a normal seat is different. Lorry driver seat is different. Case number 7, hospitals and wicked problems. We will see tomorrow. Thank you for your wonderful interactions. Thank you. Can you explain cloud kitchen topic in 1 minute? No, already all the people want close. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, can I close, madam? Ma'am? Thank you. Thank you. Madhumati, thank you. Thank you, Shruti Ganda, thank you. If you have any questions, anything you ask to me, I will stay 1 or 2 minutes. If you have any doubts.
Yeah, I shared feedback in
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Chat box. Sir, is the session was completed?
No, yes, madam. Today's sessions are completed.
Okay. Okay, sir. Let's give I'll share the feedback in chat box.
Okay.
Already I'm sharing. Guys,
Okay.
everyone must give the feedback. Okay. Thank you, sir. We'll meet tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Bye.